Very lightly draw a circle. Draw an angled line. Now draw another one from the top. Draw a smaller circle. That will be the nose. This bump will be the mouth. Draw a curved line for the neck, and two smaller lines for the body. We're going to change these later. Now draw a small circle where the eye will go. The ears are a triangular shape. One line for the back of the neck, and another one for the mane. Now with the tip of your pencil, let's put some details in. Draw the top eyelid, and an oval for the eye, and the bottom eyelid. Let's darken the inside of the eye. Now color the whole eyeball, and shade around the eye. Let's put a little more shading in. The nose is three curved shapes. Let's outline the head, starting with the nose. There's the mouth. And under the mouth is another curved line. Draw a straight line up to that circle. Follow the guidelines all the way down the neck and the body. Back to the nose. Draw the top of the head. Outline that ear. Notice that central line. We're going to add the mane now. You can make this more detailed in your drawing. I'm just giving you an idea here. Shade around the eye, and the nose, and the mouth. And we'll add that final ear. Lightly shade the whole head. Make the inside of the neck a little bit darker. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share.